Welcome to Outdoor Ideal. 1. Product name. Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair with Swing. Lightweight folding wheelchair. These cutting-edge wheelchairs for adults and seniors make independent mobility enjoyable via specialized features. Just 41 pounds, the portable wheelchair folds to a compact 12.5-inch width for transport or storage. Durable design. This transport wheelchair features durable tires enhanced with push-to-lock functionality for added safety. Model features a 18-inch seat, swing-away footrests, and flip-back desk arms. Smooth, stable ride, easy to push with solid yet lightweight wheels. This single-axle wheelchair is easy to maneuver and fits through most doorways. Two. Product name. Medline Ultra-Lightweight Transport Wheelchair for Adults, Foldable. Lightweight and durable, ultra-lightweight, 15 pounds, folding transport chair for adults has a sturdy aluminum frame, 300 pounds weight capacity. Comfortable with easy in/out, desk-length cushioned armrests for comfort, spacious 19 wide x 16 deep seat, swing-away footrests make it easy to get in and out of the seat, cup holder comes standard. Folds easily for transport, compact design folds easily with swing-away footrests that lock in place for convenient storage and transport in car trunk. Three. Product name. Monicare Folding Self-Propelled Wheelchair. Convenience. The foldable wheelchairs for adults is easy to maneuver both indoors and out with large rear tires for greater stability and traction. You can use this wheelchair self-propelled or with assistance. Flip-back armrests. Wheelchair features padded desk-style arms that make it easier to sit at a desk or table and flip back for transfer. Adjustable footrests. Swing-away footrests that are adjustable for customization, comfort, and support. Four. Product name. Drive Medical Cruiser 3 Lightweight Wheelchair. Lightweight folding wheelchair, full-featured wheelchair for adults, folds to just 12 inches wide and weighs 38 pounds to offer the convenience of a portable wheelchair with a 350-pound weight capacity. This model features a 20-inch seat, detachable full arms, and swing-away footrests. Easy to maneuver, easy to push with mag-style wheels. This lightweight wheelchair offers a smooth ride and fits through most doorways. 5. Product name. Wheelchairs for Adults Utral-Lightweight, only 19.4 pounds, transport chair. Portable and foldable, this transport chair is designed for easy use, folding and unfolding in just 1 second, and its small size can easily fit into most car trunks. The retractable handle makes it easier to carry when traveling, and it can be taken on public transportation such as airplanes, subways, buses, trains, etc. It is easy to pull even for elderly users with weaker physical strength. Lightweight and durable, the aluminum frame of the wheelchair not only provides lightweight maneuverability, but also has excellent durability, ensuring reliable performance in long-term use.